Fundamental guide to carbs. I want to clear up now that they're not the bad guy and they're actually a fundamental part of our lives. Carbohydrates are actually our main source of energy. When we want to perform well in the gym, we need to make sure that we have adequate amount dependent on the stimulus of our sport. Carbohydrates come from sugars, starches and fibre. They are the three things that contribute to our intake of carbohydrates. When we consume carbohydrates, it's converted to glucose in the blood. When glucose enters the blood, we have an insulin response which shuttles the glucose into our cells to be used as energy, whether that's to the brain, the muscles, or even other cells. So why do carbs get their bad name? As I just mentioned, when glucose is in the blood, our pancreas' response is to release insulin. When insulin is present, fat burning is reduced, which is also known as lipogenesis. This is why people think carbs cause fat gain. The truth. If lipolysis, which is the breakdown of fat, exceeds lipogenesis, which is the creation of fat, you will lose body fat. This is in short the process of being in a calorie deficit. So actually, no matter how many carbohydrates you consume, as long as you're in a calorie deficit, you will burn body fat. Again, showcasing that carbohydrates aren't the bad guy. Overeat on carbohydrates and above your maintenance, then you will put on body fat. But the same goes for fat as well. Over intake on dietary fat, and you will put on fat if you're eating above your maintenance level. Calories are key. Lastly, carbohydrates actually hold other positive properties, such as improved sleep, maintaining digestive health, and satiety, which is hopefully going to leave you less likely to overconsume. Some of the healthiest populations in the world actually consume a high carbohydrate diet. This isn't a coincidence.